Mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto niatongoretie giikaro gia gatatu kia mbunge ya gatano ya urumwe wa Afrika ya irathiro cikaro-ini cia mbunge mwena wa Nairobi. Ruto niatongoretie mbunge ya Afrika ya irathiro ni mucango wao kuona ati urumwe uyu wari na mabururi matatu ukiambiriria na riu uri na mabururi manana gutungatira andu milioni 350.
We have grown tremendously from 3 founding partner states to 8 countries, serving 350 million citizens and forging a major market.
Mutongoria wa bururi niatongoretie mabururi ma Afrika ya irathiro ni kurutithia wira mubango wa ukui gitaro-ini giki niguo e-transport na kweheria marihi ma visa gutigirira andu ni maratabania mihango mabururi-ini maya hatari na marihi.
The EAC e-passport is now internationally recognized. Visa fees for cross-border movements have mostly been eliminated, and cross-border communities now enjoy free movement, and regional institutions now implement mutual recognition agreements for various professional qualifications.
Akiongerera, Ruto niaugite ati he bata mabururi ma Afrika ya irathiro kuigithia mitambo-ini ya kiriu na uthunduri wa tabarira itiganite niguo kuiganana na mabururi maria mathiite na mbere.
We must provide a strong framework for achieving rapid leapfrogging and the development of sustainable competitive advantage in emerging high-tech fields such as the digital economy in general and artificial intelligence, automation, robotics, and machine learning in order to stay ahead of both threats and opportunities that will continue to unfold in a rapidly digitizing global economy.
Oho Ruto niagwetete mathina maria gitaro kia Afrika kirahitukira mbiriria na urihi wa mathire kuna ati mathire makoragwo maigirwo kahinda kanini ga kuriha, akiuga ati kahinda kau gabatie kuongererwo nigetha uthii wa nambere ugekika hatari kora uria thire ukurihwo na ihenya.
The kind of debt infrastructure that we have has very short grace period, tenure, and therefore it becomes very difficult to undertake any meaningful development. Our position is that we should increase the tenure of debt for development resources, not 15 years, but maybe between 40 and 50 years. That way, when you mobilize resources for development, you have adequate time to be able to undertake that development without the constraints of having to repay this debt.
Thina uria ungi Ruto augite ni kwaga kuigananio ni honge cia uheani wa mbeca thiini wa thi kuona gitaro kia Afrika kiheagwo mbeca nini gukira itaro iria ingi. Ruto niugite ati hura ucio ni ubatie kumurikwo.
While others are accessing development resources at 1 or 2%, most African countries are accessing development resources in markets at between 10 and 15%. We must have a thorough conversation about the reform of multilateral development banks and the whole international financial architecture as a whole.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Titagwo Ndei, Gathubi.